Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great day. We're just going to jump right into the video. This is my before, and now I'm going to mix up my filler. I'm using Redken Shades EQ, Toffee, Midas Touch, and a yellow kicker from Redken. Those three colors are all equal parts, so I'm going to mix them up into a bowl, and then I am going to mix in some volume 10 developer, and my ratio is going to be 1 part of my color, filler color, and then 1 part developer, so equal parts. Once I have that all mixed up, this is what it looks like. You want to apply the filler to areas of your hair that you have bleached. So for me, it's like the whole bottom half of my head, really, more than bottom half of my head. Anywhere that looks kind of blonde has been bleached. So the purpose of filler is to deposit back in the undertones and pigments that you bleached out of your hair. You definitely want to make sure you fill your hair before you put any dark color on top, because when it fades, it's just going to look green and muddy because it is missing those tones that you bleached out. So here is a little clip, the before and after. It didn't make a huge difference, just kind of needed it to match my root color, so I have more of a one-tone hair color. So it did make a difference, not a huge one, but instead of fading to that orangey copper color once my hair color fades, I'm going to fade to a nice light brown. So the color I'm using is the Redken Color Gel in 2NW Chocolate, and then my 20 volume developer, and that is going to be equal parts again, and I am starting at the root here and working this all the way down my hair. Yeah, saturate your hair. It's going to look great. I tend to do 1/2 at a time just because that's easier for me. Leave it in for about half an hour, and this is the finished look. I also gave myself a little trim too. I cut off about 1 inch, and my hair is curled here, so it looks a little shorter. But yeah, so I'm really happy with the color. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will leave everything that I talked about in the description box, as well as products and ratios, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!